Welcome to the world of large numbers. In this video, we'll discover how numbers work and grow, exploring the fascinating concept of place value. Today, our learning goals are to understand how digit value changes based on its place. We will explore the power of 10 and practice using place value charts up to 10,000. Let's review some important words. A digit is any single number from 0 to 9. Place value is how much a digit is worth because of its position. Base 10 is a system where numbers grow by 10 times. Here's the big question. Would you rather have 5 pennies or 5 $100 bills? Even though the digit 5 is the same, the place changes everything. What is a digit? Digits are like letters. They build numbers. For example, the number 427 has 3 digits, 4, 2, and 7. Our number system is called base 10. Every time we move one spot to the left, the value becomes 10 times bigger. Remember, it takes 10 ones to make a 10, and 10 tens to make 100. We use blocks to help visualize units and see how numbers grow. Notice how the shape changes from a unit to a rod to a flat, and finally to a cube, representing 1, 10, 100, and 1,000 cubes respectively. Quick check. How many tens rods do you need to make 100s flat? Choose from the options below. The answer is on the next slide. The correct answer is 10 rods. 10 tens make 100, which is visually represented by the hundreds flat. Meet the place value chart. A chart helps us organize digits. Each column has a name like ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. When we write 5,231, each digit goes in its own home. What is a period? In math, a period is a group of 3 place values. We use a comma to separate the thousands period from the ones period, as seen in 456,789. Moving to the left, every time you move left in the chart, you are multiplying by 10. If you have 10 feet thousands, you now have a 10 thousands block. Here is the full chart up to 100 thousands. Notice how the pattern repeats: ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10 thousands, and 100 thousands. The value increases by 10 times each step to the left. It's thinking cap time. Is this statement true or false? The digit 4 in 400 is worth more than the digit 4 in 4,000. The answer is on the next slide. The answer is false. The 4 in 4,000 is in the thousands place, making it 10 times bigger than the 4 in the hundreds place. 0 is a hero. When a place is empty, we use 0 as a placeholder. Without it, 502 would look like 52, which is a huge difference in value. To fill a place value chart, start at the far right with the ones, or the single digits. Then, move left, filling in each digit one by one. Here you see the number 4,307 represented. Let's practice some vocabulary. Try to fill in the blanks using the word bank provided to complete these sentences about the base 10 system in periods. The correct answer is, in our base 10 system, each column is 10 times larger than the one to its right. We use a comma to separate periods. Let's practice with the number 8,425. 8 is in the thousands place, equaling 8,000. 4 is in the hundreds place, equaling 400. 2 is in the tens place, equaling 20. It's time to match the meanings to the vocabulary terms. Take a moment to connect place value, digit, period, and placeholder with their definitions. Here are the answers. Place value is the worth of a digit's position. A digit is a single number like 1, 5, or 9. A period is a group of 3 place values. A placeholder uses 0 to hold an empty spot. When we reach 10,000, we have moved 4 spots to the left of the ones. Visualize 10 of those big 1,000 unit cubes stacked together to grasp the scale of 10,000. To put 10,000 into perspective, consider real-world numbers. A high school stadium in Canada can hold about 10,000 people. Each person is like a single 1 block. Order these place values from smallest, represented by 1 foot, to largest, represented by 4. Consider the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands places. The correct order from smallest to largest is ones, 1, tens, 2, hundreds, 3, and thousands, 4. Remember, place determines value. In 6,300, the 6 is worth 6,000, but in 360, the 6 is only worth 60. The position drastically changes the number's worth. Time for a final check. Answer these 3 questions. What digit is in the thousands place in 4,512? What is 10 times 100? How many ones are in a tens rod? The answers are question 1 to 4, question 2 to 1,000, question 3 10. Review the video if you missed any of these. For independent practice, draw a place value chart in your notebook for numbers up to 10,000s. Place the number 12,405 into your chart. Be sure to include the 0. Great work today! You learned how our number system grows by tens and how to read numbers up to 10,000. Next time, we will learn how to write these big numbers in word form.